Alright, let's talk about hummus. Not just any hummus, though. We are going to unlock the secret to that ridiculously smooth, creamy restaurant quality hummus that you can finally make right at home. But let's be real for a second. Have you ever tried making it only to end up with something kind of grainy, a little bit sad? You're not alone. So what is the deal? What's the secret to the amazing stuff we get at our favorite restaurants? Well, guess what? That all ends today. Right here, right now, we are closing that gap for good. I'm going to show you the simple tricks to get that perfect texture and taste every single time. Seriously, so where does this journey to perfect hummus begin? It all starts with just our handful, simple baked ingredients. No fancy gadgets or anything you can't find at the store. And when I say a handful, I mean it. Believe it or not, it only takes 7. Yeah, just 7 basic ingredients to go from a can of chickpeas to absolute hummus heaven. That's it. Okay, here's our all-star lineup. Canned chickpeas, a good quality tahini, fresh lemon juice, and please make it fresh, it's a non-negotiable. A clove of garlic, some olive oil, salt, and get this, ice water. And trust me on this, that last one is the secret weapon. We'll get to why in just a minute. Okay, let's get into the most important part. This is where the real magic happens. It's all in the prep, and maybe more importantly, the blending technique. So before we even turn on the food processor, I've got a pro tip for you. Now look, this step is totally optional, but if you have a few extra minutes and you're as serious about getting that ultimate silky texture, it is so worth it. All you do is gently pinch each chickpea, and the little skin just slides right off. I know it sounds a little tedious, but taking off these skins gets rid of anything that could possibly make it grainy. This one little step will take your hummus from just good to, oh my gosh, this is incredible. Alright, chickpeas are prepped. Now it's time for the main event, the blend. And listen up, because the order you put things in here as well is everything. Do not just throw it all in at once. So here's the blueprint, and it's crucial. First, you're gonna blend just the tahini and the lemon juice. Let them go for a good minute until they make this smooth, creamy paste. Then you can add your chickpeas, garlic and salts, and blend until it's perfectly smooth. And finally, with the motor still running, you're gonna stream in our secret weapon. So what is it? What's that one little thing that takes hummus from being a thick paste to something light, airy, and almost whipped? It's the ice water. This is the real game changer. It's actually pretty simple kitchen science. The super cold water helps emulsify the fat in the tahini, whipping it up into this incredibly light and fluffy texture that you just can't get any other way. It's such a small detail, but it completely transforms the whole thing. You've done the hard work. Your hummus is blended to perfection. Now for the fun part, making it look just as amazing as it tastes. So go ahead and spoon that beautiful hummus into a shallow bowl. Then you take the back of your spoon and make that classic inviting swoosh right in the middle. It creates this perfect little river for a generous drizzle of some high quality extra virgin olive oil and a little sprinkle of paprika for color. And that's pretty much it. It's time to grab some warm pita bread, maybe some fresh veggies, and just dig in and enjoy what you just made. I mean, just look at that. That is flawless, silky smooth restaurant quality hummus, and it was made right in your own kitchen. You did that. So the only question